Hi friends. Welcome back to our channel Red Wine Loops. Today in this video we are gonna talk about how to install Kali Linux in Windows using VirtualBox. Some of you may know what is VirtualBox and Kali Linux. But those who don't know about it, don't worry. VirtualBox is just a general-purpose virtualization tool that allows us to easily run multiple guest operating systems on a single host. And we use Kali Linux as an attacker machine. We use it because Kali Linux comes with a large number of exploitation tools pre-installed. To install Kali Linux first we have to install VirtualBox. For that I am gonna open my Chrome browser. Then I am gonna search for VirtualBox. From that I am gonna open the first link. And as we want it to install on Windows I am gonna select Windows host. And then I am gonna download its extension pack. And let's wait for it to finish the downloads. After that first we have to install VirtualBox. For that just open it and double-click on it. As it was our first installation it will set all the settings automatically. So just click Next, Next, Next. Then it may take some time to finish it. So wait for it to finish it. Now you can see that the VirtualBox has installed successfully. So then now we have to install its extension pack. For that just open it from the folder where you have downloaded it. Now the VirtualBox is set completely, so now we can install Kali Linux to it. To install Kali, first we have to download it. For that I am gonna open my Chrome browser. Then I am gonna search for Kali Linux virtual image. Then I am gonna click on the first link by the offensive security. Defaultly this page shows the VMware images on the top. But we don't need it. We need VirtualBox images. So select the VirtualBox image options from the below. And download the virtual images according to your operating system architecture. 64-bit or 32-bit. Here my OS is 64-bit. So I am gonna download 64-bit image. As I already downloaded it earlier. Now I am gonna cancel it. Now we have to install it. For that just double-click on it. It will automatically load into the VirtualBox. From this just click Import. And then click Agree. This may take some time for it finish up. So wait for it to finish. Okay, done. Now it has been imported successfully. And now it's ready to start. But before starting the machine we need to review the settings of it. For that click on the setting icon shown above. And first I am gonna check the network settings. Defaultly it's set to NAT network. But we didn't configure a NAT network. So I am gonna change it into Brigged network. Then we can check the system settings. I have 8 GB of RAM so it defaultly set it into 2 GB. If you have less than this, you can set it into 1 GB. 1 GB will be enough for Kali Linux. And like that I have 8 cores for my CPU. So it's set to 2 defaulty. And if you have less you can set it into 1. Otherwise there will be a chance for your host OS to get slow. Okay, done. Now it's all set. So then now you can start the machine. Okay, it may take some time to boot up, as it was our first boot up. So wait for it to boot up. Okay, we can log in now. The default username and password for this will be Kali. Okay, now you can see that we have successfully installed Kali Linux. Thank you guys for watching it. If you like the video please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask me through my Instagram id. We have provided the Instagram link in the description.